it's time to go. Car horn, beep, beep, did you hear that sound? It's the bell, so it's time to drive back to the school ground. It's time for the cars to get all their work done, so get ready for some learning and fun. Vroom, vroom, it's car school.
Car school.
This is Maria's car school. The light is green. The gate is opening. Maria is the first one here today. And here are Maria's students, the construction vehicles.
Hello, little cars. I've prepared a few new tasks for you. Have a look at the board. The first task is to put the roof on the house. The second task is to put the rings on the pyramid. Cars, please settle down. I haven't explained everything yet. The third task is to put the flag on the castle. Who wants to give it a try? Crane truck? Excellent! Then let's go!
The crane truck is going to the construction site to complete Maria's tasks.
Prepare for task number 1.
The crane needs to put a roof on the house. The crane lowers its outriggers and extends its arm. It's working! The crane receives his first star.
Prepare for task number 2.
Do you remember what the vehicle needs to do? He needs to put the rings on the pyramid. The first ring is the biggest. Then the second ring. The third. The fourth. And lastly, the fifth. Excellent! The outriggers are lifted. Let's keep going. The crane truck receives his second star.
Prepare for task number 3.
This is the castle where the crane needs to raise the flag. Do you think our crane truck can do it? Ah! The blocks fell.
Don't you worry, crane truck. Let's try one more time.
The crane did everything well this time. He receives his 3rd star.
Great job! Come back tomorrow for more lessons and tasks.
Hello, jump into the cabrio straight ahead. It's time to go. Car horn, beep, beep, did you hear that sound? It's the bell, so it's time to drive back to the school ground. It's time for the cars to get all their work done, so get ready for some learning and fun. Vroom, vroom, it's car school.
Car school.
Today, the construction vehicles are attending car school.
Hello, little cars. Let's make sure everyone's here. Excavator. Crane with a special grapple. Forklift. Crane truck. Dump truck. Everyone's here. Ready to start the lesson? Your 3 tasks are on the board. The first task is to dig a pit. The second task is to climb a mound of sand. The third task is to roll balls down a spiral. Who wants to try to complete any of these assignments? Excavator? Excellent! Then let's go.
The excavator is going to the construction site to complete Maria's tasks. Do you remember what the first task is? Right, it's to dig a pit.
Prepare for task number 1.
The excavator is digging a pit with his big bucket. He's doing very well. The excavator receives his first star.
Prepare for task number 2.
The excavator needs to climb this big mound of sand. Excellent! The second star.
Prepare for task number 3.
The excavator needs to roll the balls down this spiral slide. Oh! One of the balls fell. Try rolling the balls more carefully. Great job, excavator. Try again. All the balls have rolled down. The excavator receives the third star and returns to class.
Great job!
Hello, jump into the cabrio straight ahead. It's time to go. Car horn, beep, beep, did you hear that sound? It's the bell, so it's time to drive back to the school ground. It's time for the cars to get all their work done, so get ready for some learning and fun. Vroom, vroom. It's car school.
Car school.
It's morning. The cars enter the class for the lesson. Maria's checking something on her tablet.
Hello, vehicles.
The vehicles say hello.
Your tasks are on the board. Look. This box needs to be moved. Oh, these tasks are for the fire engines. They were here the last session. Who can help me clear the board?
The manipulator takes the sponge to clean the board.
Thank you.
This is chalk. Maria will now draw new tasks on the board. Wonder what she came up with.
Task number 1 is to move the box onto the floor. Then it's throwing balls into the basket. And then it's filling buckets with water. Who wants to do the tasks? Manipulator? Wonderful! Go ahead.
The manipulator goes to the construction site to complete Maria's tasks.
Prepare for task number 1.
This is a box with blocks that should be carefully placed on the ground. Ah! Green and yellow blocks fell out of the box. Look! The manipulator decided to build a tower from the blocks. Done! The vehicle earned its first star.
Prepare for task number 2.
Basketballs need to be thrown into the basket. One. Two. Three. The second star.
Prepare for task number 3.
Manipulator. Fill the buckets with water. The blue bucket. The next bucket is green. And red. The last task is done. Time to go back to school.
Great job! Car School.